I'm Marina Picciotto, and I'm a neuroscientist. Overwhelming, but I can't stop there. Exciting. It's a way to get a snapshot of all of the things that current neuroscientists are excited about in 1 week. The next meeting, which will be in Chicago, I will actually get to be president, and I'll get to introduce the presidential speakers, see the presentations that are around the science, but also around art and science. We'll have a dialogue speaker. We'll have a lot of events, as we always do, on the floors around the poster floor. For example, we have an art in neuroscience exhibit. But I'm really most excited about seeing the science.